Rick Nielsen here. Today I want to give you 2 ways to really help out with your neck pain. So first we want to do is assess where it's coming from. And we want to start with range of motion. We want to figure out, do you have all the range of motion you need in your neck? And second, is it painful? So what I do with patients is I'll have them look left and right. So look to the side. You should be able to get roughly your chin to the side of your shoulder there. Look to the opposite side. Does it hurt either direction? So again, does it hurt, and are you able to get the full mobility you need there? Next one you want to look at is looking up to the ceiling. So you look up, keep your mouth a little bit closed there. You should be able to get roughly to a 90-degree angle, so it's the head just flat there. Does it hurt? Do you have the quantity of motion you get all the way up? And does it hurt? Those are the 2 things you want to think about. The last one here is take your chin and go to your chest, keeping your mouth closed. Can you get all the way to your chest? Does it hurt? So which one of those motions, A, was painful, and which motions did you not have the quantity, the full amount of movement? Let's address the ones that are painful first. So let's say looking to the side hurt. And it hurts on the side of my shoulder here. So there's 2 things that you can do. And I will first start with some myofascial release. So what I'll give my patients to start with is just this little ball. Just a soft ball. What they can do is take it to the area that's a little bit discomfort. So again, looking to the side here, hurts up in that upper shoulder area. Take this ball, put it on the back of that shoulder, lay on it. Try and lay on it quietly for 3 to 5 minutes. Get back up, go into that same movement. Does it feel better? Does it feel no different? You should know there should be a little bit of discomfort when you're laying on the ball, but it shouldn't be so much that you're not able to relax into it. It should feel kind of like, yes, this is what I need. It feels like the right area, but it's not too painful to where I'm not able to breathe normally and relax into the ball. The next one you want to do is stretch. So I'll start with the ball. I always start with the ball with my patients. It gets them feeling better, moving a little bit better. And then I'll have them stretch into those areas. So again, looking this way, a little bit of discomfort on the top of the shoulder. Stretch into that. Stretch that area that feels some discomfort. Okay. People usually say about 30 seconds. I would say just stretch till it feels like it's opening up and it's relaxed a little bit. So use the ball first, stretch, go back to the movement. Does it feel any better? The other thing I'll finish off with is a lot of times pain is just a symptom. Even though you feel pain in that area, it's a lot of times it's coming from somewhere else. So the shoulder won't be moving as well as it should, or the upper back doesn't move as well as it should. So I rarely treat just one joint in the body, one area. So for neck pain, it's usually treating the shoulders, the neck, and the upper back. Those are what's going to give a long-term solution. So if the self-myofascial release with the ball and then stretching doesn't offer solutions, try those out. And if they don't offer solutions, find somebody who's able to really assess from head to toe and see what's going on. Thanks so much.